Hello and welcome to Old School Chemistry. Today we are going to do the ALEKS topic, classifying substances from a sketch. Now this really breaks down into several sections. You first have to answer, do you have a solid, liquid, or gas? Next you're going to answer if it's a pure element, a compound, a mixture, or a solution. And then lastly, you're going to answer, is this a pure substance or a homogeneous mixture, a heterogeneous mixture? Now, a really important side note on this. Solutions. Okay, this is true chemistry. Any phase can be a solution. The air that you breathe is a solution in the gas phase. You and I are very used to chemical solutions. I dissolve sodium chloride salt in warm water. That's a solution in the liquid phase. You can also have solid solutions. Now, having said that, there is a little bit of a misnomer in ALEKS. The only way that you can check this box solution is if it is a liquid, okay? So this must be a liquid, but keep it in your mind, that's part of this ALEKS culture. That's not true chemistry. That's just how this particular problem is coded, okay? All right, whenever you see this bulb with a stopcock, that indicates that it's a gas. So this first one, easy to do. That one is going to be a gas. Now we're going to pretend that we have powerful microscopes that we can see at 1,000x and 10 million x. Let's look at this 1,000x and see what we can see. And I'll tell you what this means. Ooh, it's all one color. All one color. Okay, so what that tells us is that we fall into one of two situations. It's either going to be a pure substance, which could be an element or a compound, or it is a homogeneous mixture. Remember, homogeneous mixtures are you bring substances together and they create one new composition. Well, that's one composition, either because it's a homogeneous mixture or because it's pure. The only way that we'll figure this out is if we go to the 10 million amplification. So I click here. Oh, look at that. They're all the same. All the same. Now the two green balls indicate the same atom that's bonded together. So that's still considered an element. So I'm going to put down this is an element and it's a pure substance. Let's do another one together. So we're going to explanation. Let me show you this really quick. There you can see those three are marked that we had put. And we'll do more practice. Oh, fantastic. We got a solid. Okay, so easy right out of the gate. And you'll notice on this problem, the solid is always on this little dish, this little weigh boat. So this is a solid. Let's see what we have at the 1,000x. Oh, it looks like we have a beautiful lattice structure. Still not sure if this is pure, if it's an element or a compound, or if it's a mixture. We're going to have to go to the 10 million x on this. Oh, look at that. I see two different colored balls. Right away, we know that this is a compound. Love that beautiful organization, how compact it is that we see in solids. This is actually representing sodium chloride. Because I have two different atoms together, it's a compound. And because I only have those two atoms, it's going to be a pure substance. So this would be a compound and also a pure substance. Let's do a couple more of these. So we'll hit explanation. I'll go ahead and show you. There we go. Solid, compound, pure substance. And we'll do more practice. Oh, hooray. We got a liquid. This is where it starts to get fun. Okay, so first, I see that beaker. That's in this problem. To show a liquid, they'll always give you a beaker. So I have my liquid. Now, we want to look at that 1,000x. Is that, oh, it is. It's one constant composition. So this could be one of two things. It could either be that homogeneous mixture, the constant composition, or it could be a pure substance. And it could be one compound, one element, or a mixture. We'll see. It just depends. Homogeneous mixture is something that's pure. Element or compound. Let's go to our 10 million. Okay, and let's look really closely at this. Oh, look, it has, okay, so I see my water molecules, okay, there's my water molecules, and then there's some sort of gray, white, and red molecule in here that's also floating. I have two different substances. I have water and another compound. So it's a mixture. But remember, at the 1000x, it was one consistent composition. Oh, I'm so glad we got this one. So this is going to be a mixture, right? I see two different substances, water and another substance. Because it is a mixture with one constant composition, that is a homogeneous mixture. And then when you fall in this unique situation, okay, when you have these three things marked, you have a liquid, it's a mixture, it's a homogeneous mixture, this is the only time on this ALEKS topic you also mark solution. You also mark solution. That's the only time you mark solution. So glad we got this. Okay, wonderful. Well done. Proud of your hard work. If you haven't already, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.